Hello friends, I am Alok Sethi, and today in this video I am going to show you what Power BI can do to your data and what all analysis and what all reporting which is dynamic in nature you can do using Power BI. So let's get back to the screen, and I'm sharing my screen, and this is a Power BI window which you can see on my screen now. And I've already created some visuals using some data which is a sales data of a company. Okay. And you can see there are different dimensions over here, like segment, country, product, discount band. There are various columns which has the numbers, and some columns I've created for the analysis. Okay. So rather than showing you how I did what I did, I want to show what Power BI actually does. So with that data which we had in a tabular format, now the data is into a visual format, and not only in the visual format, but I have put a slicer over here. I have put option to select any year. So the data is belonging to 2 years, 2013 and 14. You can see that GP ratio is 28% right now. The sales is 264 thousand, and sorry, units sold is this, and sales in millions is 26 million. Now when I click on 2014, you will see every number has changed. And now the sales is 92 million. Okay. And the profit is 13 million. The GP ratio is 27%. Earlier, it was 28%. So there is a slightly decline in the GP ratio, but there is an increase in the profits and the sales. Now, it is giving you further bifurcation as to sales by country. So USA, Canada, and you can see that there are different colored bars. When I click on any particular country, let's say Canada, now all my visuals will show everything in Canada. So it is segment wise sales, but in the segment, Canada is having 8 million sales. Okay. So this is it. And here it is the gauge, which actually shows as compared to the target sales where you are. So we have taken the target as double. So 39 million, and we have reached 20 millions using through Canada. Now, if I click on France, all the visuals, all the numbers, you are seeing that they are all changing. Okay. So the data is dynamic. Okay. And we can dynamically find out. Now, if I click on small business, it is giving me that out of the total sales generated from USA, which is 19 million, 8.6 million is coming from the small business segment. If I click on government, you will be able to see that the government segment is giving highest sales in France, but not in USA. So similar to that, this is what a Power BI can do to your data. And if you want to learn more on this, the batch is on. I am running a live batch every day, 9 to 10. So I would request you all to come and experience the live batch. There are two sessions which already happened, which are there on YouTube as a open video to watch. Today, I'll be conducting the third session from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. If you wish to be a part of it, you can enroll. You can ping me on my number, and in the description of this video, you will see the link to join the course. It is a 30 days course where I'll be covering end-to-end functioning of Power BI. And a lot of professionals have already joined. There are 21 professionals and students who have joined this. Now I am willing to take 4 more persons, because in the year 2025, the target is to keep the batch size of 25 only, and focus on building professionals who are tech savvy and who are proficient in data visualization and reporting. So with this, Alok City signing off and wishing you a good year 2025, where you are learning a lot of new technological skills, AI and related technologies also, and wishing you a lot of success. Thank you.